Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to schedule and send automated WhatsApp messages to active campaign contacts. So here let's assume that I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my active campaign contacts on a regular basis. So now to do this, I need to set up an integration between these applications. Now to do this, I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, Pabbly Connect. So by using Schedule by Pabbly, it will help me to set up this automation easily that I can send this automated WhatsApp message on a regular basis. So to do this, here my trigger applications will be Active Campaign and my action application will be Vati. So by using Vati, I'm sending the WhatsApp message. So now to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to schedule and send automated WhatsApp messages to active campaign contacts. So here my objective is that I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my active campaign contacts. So here let's assume that I am conducting an online digital marketing course and I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my active campaign contacts every day. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as schedule and send automated WhatsApp messages to active campaign contacts. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as active campaign. And now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to schedule and send automated WhatsApp messages to active campaign contacts. So now moving to my trigger window, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my active campaign contacts every day. So here I'm going to use Schedule by Pabbly. So Schedule by Pabbly will help me to select that how often I want to run this workflow. So here I'm going to select it as every day, and here I've selected the time as 10 a.m. So now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that it is successfully scheduled. That means now this workflow will run every day at 10 a.m. So now moving ahead, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my active campaign contacts. So here I'm going to search for active campaign as my action application. So now moving to my action event, that will be list contacts. So it will list all the existing contacts that I have in active campaign. So I'm selecting it. And now firstly, I need to establish a connection between active campaign and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the URL. So here you can read the instruction given below carefully, because this will help you to find the API key and the URL. So here in Active Campaign, I will go to settings, and in settings, I will go to developer. So here you can see that the URL and the API key is given. So firstly, I'm going to copy the API URL, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. Now moving to the API key, here I'm going to copy the API key. You can reset a new API key as well from here, but I'm going with the existing one and I'm going to paste it. So here in the instruction given, it says that we don't have to mention the HTTPS part. So I'm just removing it, and now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that the connection has been established between Active Campaign and Pabbly Connect. So now as soon as I will click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data. So here I'm going to do this toggle off so that I can get the response in advanced format. So here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I've received a response, and over here the response I've received is an array format. So now to get it in the key and value manner, here I'm going to use iterator by Pabbly. So here the iterator is, and the action event will be to process the arrays. So iterator by Pabbly will help me to process the response that I've received in this array format. So here in iterator by Pabbly, I'm going to click on connect. And now over here, I'm going to select the contacts as the array. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here you can see that the array has been processed and I've got the response in a key value manner. So as moving further, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message. So over here, I'm going to click on this add action step. And now here, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message by using Vati. So here I'm searching Vati. And now the action event will be to send template message. Now here to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on connect. And over here, I'm going to add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So over here, the instructions are given. Read it carefully because this will help you to get the API endpoint and the access token. So I'm going to take you to my Vati account, and over here, I'm going to API docs. So here you can see this is the access token and this is the API endpoint. I'm going to copy the API endpoint, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now moving to the access token, here I'm going to copy the same and I'm going to paste it over here. Now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected with each other. So now moving to these details. Here I need to mention the WhatsApp number. So from the response received, I'm going to map it. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've got the response, so here I'm going to map the phone number. Once this is mapped, now I need to select the template. So now let me take you to the template which I have created in Vati. So over here I've created a template by the name of digital marketing. So this is the daily reminder automated WhatsApp message which I want to send. It goes as, hello, kindly attend your digital marketing lecture by using this link. Regards, PC Tudes. So this is the automated WhatsApp message which I want to send to my active campaign contacts. And over here in this body content, you can see here is a custom variable. So that means this variable will keep on changing accordingly. That means after hello, I want to mention the name of the contact. So here the name will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So here the broadcast title is for daily reminder, and the name of my template is digital marketing, and the language is English. So now going back to Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to select the template as digital marketing. Now here I need to mention the broadcast name. So as I've mentioned the broadcast title as daily reminder, so here I'm going to mention the same, that will be daily reminder. Once this is done, moving to the custom parameters. So over here I need to mention the name of the contact. So as I've mentioned this custom parameter after hello, that is for the name. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to follow the same format that is given in the example. I'm going to copy it. So this custom parameter is for name. So I'm going to mention name over here. And now over here in the value, I'm going to mention the name of the contact. So here I'm going to map the name of the contact from the response that I've received. So I've mapped the details, and this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. And you can see that I've received a response over here, and this is a positive one. So now I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So this here is the automated WhatsApp message. Here is the broadcast title as daily reminder. Here after hello, you can see that the name of the contact is mentioned. And over here, you can see this is the body of the message, regards PC Tudes. That means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to my active campaign contact. So now this automated WhatsApp message will be sent every day to my active campaign contacts. So this integration and automation was a successful one. So that means every day an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to my ActiveCampaign contacts.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.